have access to, like the Pro Trade Room, Pro Classroom, and it'll give you an upgrade option. If not, just Rufus, reach out to the main number, 727. There you go.
Thanks, Ryan.
No, Rufus, we'll refund the difference. Whatever you haven't used of that. Start a new month for you. You'll get the difference of the 99 refunded to you.
If you have a trading animal, it's refunded directly to the trading animal, like in treats.
In treats, yeah.
We've added, Coach sent me yesterday, I was cracking up. We've added diving lessons for anyone who's a dog owner in beautiful Clearwater Beach. Dogs who swim with the boats, with the big boats. It was great. It was like Greg Louganis at that dog doing a dive off the boats. Oh, that's great video. You're welcome, Mike. All right, guys, we only have 6 minutes to the open. We have all red this morning, meaning momentum's down. 15-minute is down. 60-minute is down. Daily pivot is above. So what could happen very easily on the open? The market might go which way? Right. And I know it, it seems like, why would it? Well, again, if you wake up and you're like, want to go short, you have two options. Go short, right? Do a sell at the market, right? Anybody can do that. Well, what if you have a friendly institutional broker that you're paying big money for? You say, hey, can you push this thing up? Yeah, don't worry. There's a lot of little newbies short. We'll just rally that little sucker up there. And you can put sell limits as the trap shorts cover. Oh, really? Yeah, don't worry. We'll get it. Hey, if I could get everyone in this room, if I had the ability to get you guys short 100 points higher, and I could guarantee it, would you pay me? Well, let's say you have a smaller account. Would you pay me $10,000 a month? If I can guarantee it every morning or most mornings, other than a Fed day, wouldn't you? You'd say, yeah, that's a no-brainer because you can't do it yourself. Of course. And that's what they do. And it's a game.
Cat and mouse. All right. Those of you just joining us on trial, please make sure to watch your orientation video. Schedule a coaching session if you've been with us for a day. That way we can get your questions answered. We have 4 minutes till the open, and we are patient traders, so be aware that we're going to talk about a lot of stuff other than trading, but we will talk a lot about trading and make live trade calls. What you should do while you're on trial with us is watch, pay attention, ask questions. If you're going to do any sim trading, make sure to do it. If you're going to do any trading with us, try to follow along. Make sure to do it in sim. And once you join us, it's $99, and you get access to the core setups that you'll hear us talking through. You'll see some people talking about first touch rule or FTR. You'll get access to those videos that show you what those are exactly, those setups that we use. Thanks, guys. Let's get ready for the open. Looks
Thank you, Coach.
Another decent little short signal here, but yep, 3 minutes. Do you know where your trades are? 3 minutes till the open.
And as a clarification, I personally cannot run any stops for anybody. I can walk some stops because I'm not in running condition yet, but I'll walk through some stops, but no running.
I can sprint some stops.
Sprints. We're going to sprint through the stops. We're going to sprint through some newbies this morning. And that's what we're having for breakfast, guys. Freshly
Hey.
chopped up newbies.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's a newbie.
You will be amazed at the carnage. Guys, we had a very good day yesterday. Honestly, let's keep that green. Don't do anything foolish. Don't overtrade. Don't feel overconfident. And we will succeed today. 2 minutes to the open.
2 minutes.
Houston corrected their problem yesterday.
What a crazy after.
Amazing, yeah.
Right?
Let's make some money today, guys. Let's make some money.
Most of us have already, right?
Yeah. Let's continue to make money.
Decent. We had a couple really decent shorts this morning.
Yes, sir.
Good little short signal there before the open.
All righty.
1 minute.
There would be two resistance areas I could see as we open, guys. 32,014 and 32,079. So I'm going to watch those intently. 32,014 and 32,079.
Write these down, guys. Know it.
Huh.
These are the things you guys should be writing down, taking advantage of.
One is the, of course, the 200 on the 133 tick chart. And the other one is our happy volatility area.
Happy
Volatility. Okay. We are open for business.
Love it. Those of you that took that short with me, move your stop down.
Yep. Look at that. Look at that tick reading minus 1,400 on the start. What does that tell you, guys?
I think we're going lower.
Newer members, wait for 6 minutes.
Oh yeah. Thank you, Coach. Sorry, I meant to do that in my disclaimers.
Yeah, no, we got that out there.
All right. Yeah. Newer people, wait 6 minutes.
More advanced, follow the trades, guys. More advanced, you could be following the calls right from the bell.
Yeah, you guys that are advanced and have permission to trade the open should be short with me.
And that's why we strongly recommend you talk to a coach so you can get in there quicker and start taking advantage of these trades. Don't have to wait. Good job, David Elliott.
Nice job. That's okay. That's all right. Could have taken a small M, David, but that's okay.
Yep.
Still in profits. Still in profits. I like it. That was a safe play. That was a safe one to do, though. Yeah, I mean, at least you put logic behind it. That's what matters. Those of you that are advanced should be short right now. I don't know, like, what you're waiting on. David shouldn't be the only one letting us know how he's doing. Those of you with permission. If not,
Scoop up the market's profits.
you're waiting a few more minutes. Nice job, Robert. Nice job.
That's a Sakasa buy signal, which means you could cover some of your short and then trail the balance. I would not take counter trend longs right now. Just use that to
Absolutely.
cover your profits, lock in gains. Be amazed.
At least on the failed buy signal, pull your stop to that spot.
Exactly.
At the very least. Seems to make perfect sense, right, Coach?
Yeah, we will not steer you wrong, unless, of course,
You're a steer.
You're a steer.
Unless you're a steer. And I will steer you to the slaughterhouse for my love of steak.
Volatility is reasonable, guys. 28. It's not too bad.
There's another little sell signal, guys. What are we at? We got 3 more minutes. Might as well wait for you newer guys. Just be patient.
Yeah, just be patient, guys. There's plenty of trading to do today. Starting to hook toward that blue line, as you can see. So all of you who are waiting patiently, you can say, all right, come on up, let's go. I'm waiting for you. Don't need any encouragement to overtrade. Just watching.
Yeah, encouragement to overtrade.
Yeah.
We encourage you to undertrade. To get your profits for the day, get the heck out of here.
Wasn't Sakasa pretty cool? Got you out of some of those short trades.
There we go.
Now it's like saying, hey, maybe I'm going to get into a good situation short.
It is.
Newer traders, you got about a minute left, and then we can take this short call.
More experienced guys should be in this.
Yeah.
Guys and gals, that is.
Guys and gals.
Ladies and gentlemen, some of you aren't gentlemen. It's a good one, guys.
Ten more seconds, and you other traders can take the short signal.
Ooh, I can barely wait.
Boom. Do it.
Now we need a gob of contracts. Gob.
Gobs of contracts.
Take some profits, guys. Those of you newer.
Next support level, guys, would be about 909. For all our gang who's short. The amazed traders.
Everybody else just sit back and be amazed.
Yeah.
Right? Sit back, be amazed.
Now, we didn't quite get up to 32,079, but we did get a pretty decent rally, didn't we? Right? From 886, right? How many points did we rally from 31,886? $32,056 would be the rally from the lows, right? But we did get up toward, right, that 200 moving average. I'll draw the next support in here.
All right.
Watch your stochastics again. Those of you who are more swing traders who are short, you can always add to your short on high stochastics, right? If you're a swing trader and you've been short, let's say around 7 o'clock in the morning, or that little pop-up here at 8 o'clock, remember? We got up to 32, where? 060, right up there. Imagine if you're still short and use these rallies, overbought stochastics to add to them.
Imagine.
Yeah. And then, of course, you have a core, what they call a core short position. And every time it goes down, maybe 20, 30, 40 points, you take the core off.
It's kind of like 6-minute abs, working on your core.
There you go. Yeah. Those Tylenol feel better now. Now I'm moving around, no pain. Getting set up here, guys, for another one. I'm going to adjust my, I'm just going to adjust the chart for 35 seconds. Be right back. Getting ready for another short here. Again, your next target would be about 907.
907.
And we're back. It didn't take too long, right?
Right. Right. Ticks are slowly creeping up.
Yep, we're getting toward where? Our 170. Remember, 170 is right here. 32,056. Another 60 points. You think it'll make it?
Come on.
Could.
We are, let it rally up.
Yeah, you can have a sell limit there, guys. And if you don't get it, as soon as you see the hook down on the stochastics, take it. So put your limits, keep it just like we described yesterday. And if you don't get your limit, you get the hook. Good job, Tony. We're going to trade those news items and nail them. The PMI is at 945. You all have permission to trade.
You're free to trade around the country.
Yeah. It's like Southwest Airlines. Almost got to 56. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Oh.
So it's teasing. It says, please. You can go short and add. Go short and add at 56. All right, guys? Do it. You can always add.
Those of you stuck with your ATMs, make sure to wait for a good setup.
Mm-hmm.
If you're not versed at adding contracts or taking contracts off, that is going to be a tough play for you because you're going to get stopped out with that ATM.
Yeah. Well, on the other hand, the ATM will give you your first target too and
Yeah.
pull your stop down. So that's what's good about the way you set up the ATM. It's going to pull that stop faster. So even if you shorted, let's say at 35, you're already 20 points. You've got a 20-point profit. That stop is already being pulled down.
Bingo.
And we want you to get to the point where you could do it yourself.
And you can do it. Isn't that right, Tom? Tim? Anybody who's done coaching with me, you can do it. You can get to the point where you can do it yourself. This is why we have coaching guys. The coaches know what they're doing. They're profitable traders.
And as Coach mentioned, right now an ATM might have a problem if you don't time it well, because really the stop should be about 60 points, right? 1.5 the ATR, which is 41 right now. However, if you time it right, you'll get your first target instantly,
Right.
and then the stop gets pulled down. At least that's how I set up my ATM. So if you
Yep.
learn to time it well, guys, you should do very, very well like this.
So what we're saying is you have two options: a
Yep.
well-timed entry, or be okay with adding contracts. Be okay with scaling. There's your two options.
Yeah, and guys, very simple. When we set up conferences with you guys, we tell you, if you're trading two contracts, it's not really adding to your risk, it's lowering your risk. So you don't go short with two contracts, you go short with only one and add the other one higher. So you're rooting for it to go higher, because the average trader, when you do your, two contracts with three at the market, you don't want it to go 20 points. You start getting pissed off. Here you're like, come on up a little bit more so I can get you. And you go, oh man, I only have one contract. Take one off here. Those who took this short signal. You didn't get your 56. So what are you doing? Sitting in deer in the headlights? Got to make the move. Look at it go. Now 907 is our next target, right?
Yay. Got one left.
See, we know what we're talking about.
Do we?
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys took the in when I said there's
We want to amaze you guys. So sit there. I actually have a bid at 909.
Yes.
So
I did say there's an in.
above
I
this.
didn't know if they heard that.
I can move this up to 909. Yeah, it's my 909. Good job, Chris.
Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
I'm snacking on a newbie right now.
Taking
Tasty.
I don't know.
One tasty newbie.
Nice job, Fish. Did you guys
Here we
hear me say
909 is hit. Order filled.
So I'm curious, guys. Did you guys hear me say that there was an M forming when Coach was talking? Just curious.
Yep. Yeah. Almost got a few ticks away from my 56,
nice job,
but it doesn't matter.
Good job, Greg. Good job, Steve. Here we go, Viv. Good job, guys. Still got one left. 100 points. Should we, let's see. I have nice job, guys. We got the runner. Two people done for the day. Nice job.
you can add me to the mix. And what I'm doing now,
Sorry. Had to give the.
now I turn my Sakasa off, so this way I don't get anything unexpected. Don't want to give back green. This is the green we had yesterday. We added to the green.
It's a good little sell signal coming up here, guys. Those of you that missed that.
Yeah, the 1520 SMA is a very popular short. Good job, David. We were talking about that, I think, last week in class.
Nice job, Coho. Be done for the day now, Coho.
Yep.
I don't know what your daily goal is, but
look at that.
Switch to Sim. Those of you who took my call that just in on good sell signal, bring your stops down. Lock in profits. Anybody do that?
I did.
You may take the short I just said was a good short signal a couple minutes ago. Even though they didn't get stochastics didn't quite get high, they just hooked over so cleanly that. Good job, David. Good job, Drew. Good job, Will Trade. I have 3 gongs to dish out. I love it. Seriously, guys. I know that's obnoxious, but I mean, good job. That's the only thing I can say.
Now, did everybody understand a little bit about using that volatility?
I think
coming up with a volatility resistance number. That's where we got that 56 from.
We just had a great example of it in real life. Great example. You guys should be flat on that one.
Beautiful.
Good job, guys. At least move your stop down now.
Yeah, I mean, if you're a swing trader and you got in there around 32, I mean, obviously 47 was the high, but let's say you got in there around 39. You could still keep your stop. I mean, you know, nowhere near getting stopped out. If you're a scalp trader and you use these little buy signals as a way to get out of a short trade, that's good too. Making new lows now as we speak.
Hey, there we go. You guys trail your stop. Move your stop down now, guys. Who's still in this? Who is still in this? Like I said, that was a good short signal.
At this point, there's no support except where?
Wow,
Steve,
guys.
31,721, right? There's no other support. Another day, another green in the wallet.
Oh, dang. Yeah, that's
what buy, you can still get back in. Don't worry about it. Don't beat yourself up. You still made money. You're getting better every week. Would you rather be getting out of your profits too early or be like me and losing money for 49 months in a row?
Yeah, schedule a coaching call, guy. We'll help work with your trailing stops.
Yeah.
Schedule a coaching call. We'll help you. That's why we've been teaching people to wait for the retracements before they move their stops down.
Yeah, last week we did. We concentrated extensively in the pro and elite class for trailing stops.
We also did the same in office hours and individual coaching sessions.
Yeah, it's so important.
Stops. This is why some people have a runner and some people are out.
Yep.
We'll get you there, guy.
Mm-hmm.
Well, considering the fact that Chanel is member of the month, we go with her song for runners, David. Maybe you'll get the mom privileges next month and earn yourself a free boot camp. Let's see what you got here. Keep trailing, guys. Keep trailing.
We're going to 721, right?
Now you can move your stops down some. That R, oh, sorry, S1 looks like a good place for the stop, right, Coach?
Yeah.
S1, good spot for your stops, guys.
Yes. I mean, we're still not in a daily downtrend. You know, don't get me wrong, guys. You know, that daily moved up quite a bit, but could be a top yesterday, right? That could be it.
Very well could be. Flag entry is not horrible here, I don't think. If you guys are late or re-entering.
I think most of you agree when myself and Coach Brian were talking about earnings last month. Very, very positive and pushed it up. And we said, what's going to happen when earnings month ends, like on November 1st? Would the market start going back down again? Maybe. And looks like it is. All right, cool. $375 points lower. We're taking out the low. Let me double check. 884 was the low of October 28th. And October 26th low, which is where we get our support from, was 744. So if it breaks 744, should run into one more support area, 721. If it breaks that, we're headed lower. But who cares, right? What happened in 26th and whatever? Short now, and market's going down, and you guys are short. Everybody's still in, right? Yeah, lower your stops. I'd even bring it below that S1 now, 820.
You guys got that? Shit, I think we got 5-6 people still in this.
Yeah, I had 833 before, based on Coach mentioned S1. So now I'm lowering it a little bit below that. Good job, profitable Chad.
Good job. Nice job.
Case
Chad,
report is fairly bullish. Stay, you know.
Was your entry back up there on that original M that I called out? Chad? Where'd you get in at? Chad. What was your entry, Chad?
Fantastic.
905. Okay. So you can squeeze
That's
one
kind of nice scalp. It's 2 gongs.
Nice.
Great job. That's what we'd like to see. We'd love to see these home runs hit from you guys.
So put one Chad, like you could literally attach one of your stops to the 89 and move your other one with coach's calls. You've got plenty of profits. I don't see anything wrong with that. Do you, Coach?
No, not at all.
Got that, Chad? So one stop, keep closer. Follow our stop. Put one on the 89. All right. Because if it stops you at the 89, you've already got plenty of profits. That'll still be, plenty of profits. And it can always just be a re-entry point for you. So there you go. Just a thought. I don't know. You don't have to do that. It's just my thought.
$10 coming up.
There you go. Now you can sit back and go for coffee. Sit back and enjoy the show.
Lower your stops. My stop is 809. Yep.
Yep. 2 minutes to some sort of news, right?
Good morning, everyone. Paulina here from Liberty Trading Club. Hope you've enjoyed our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com and sign up for your free 3-day trial. You'll have access to our live trade calls as well as participation in chat to get your questions answered by a coach. If you'd like to join the trade room after your free 3-day trial, it's just $99 a month to have trade room access, and you'll also unlock our core training videos to learn our trading methodology. Please like, subscribe, and share.